These are 4 chords to a song called I Love You. These are the 4 easiest chords, in my opinion, on the ukulele to play. They're the beginner chords. So first we have C, 3rd fret, bottom string. Then we have F, 1st fret, 3rd string, and then your middle finger will go up top on the 2nd fret, 1st string. Then we have G, which is 3rd fret, 3rd string, with your ring finger, and then we'll take your middle finger and put it on the 2nd fret, bottom string, and then your pointer finger, 2nd fret, 2nd string. And then we have C7. And then in all ukulele songs, you have something called the strum pattern. Either it goes down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, or it switches every time. Sometimes just down, 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 up. Could be anything. But for the I Love You song, I'll just play it for you, and you'll see how it goes. That's I Love You.